I'm trying to install this hp1102w printer over here onto a Windows 11 machine. You can see this is Windows 11, but it's getting stuck over here. I've already put it into compatibility mode. This is the driver, and I've put it in compatibility, but still it seems to be getting stuck here. So for Windows 11, I'm not having success with installing a hp1102w wirelessly. Not setting it up, but it's already configured. The printer is already configured. I'm just trying to add it to the computer. So when I'm trying to install the printer driver, if I select from a list of detected printers, it gets stuck. And I'm already running it in compatibility mode over here. So that's the biggest problem. If I try to do it that method and press next, it just gets stuck at the very end and doesn't let me add. I can't even select a printer. So I'm going to try specifying an address. Hopefully I can do that. So I put in the IP address. I was able to find the hard drive. I was able to find the printer. And now I can try installing it. So hopefully it installs the printer. It says installed it. I'm not going to register, but I'm going to try printing a print test. And it's working. So if you know the IP address, you can configure it from the IP address, but for me, I'm having trouble doing it automatically. So good luck. Actually, I need to reboot. So I'm going to reboot right now. Doing a final printer test. See, I was able to install on Windows 11.